Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Parkinson Picking, and today is an unboxing video. I won the contest from the Lock Picking Donkey and the package arrived. I saw the video. Congratulations to Lock Picking Donkey on 142 subscribers. Very nice, very nice. Now I'm gonna see what I got here. I got this lovely, lovely bubble wrap, expertly packaged. No, I'm just kidding. I'm excited. I'm a little excited right now, a little nervous. Not doing too bad today. Well, we got something here. What's this? What, pray tell, is this? It is, let me adjust my glasses. It's a keychain from Guernsey. Very nice. See that? Very nice. Little touch of home. Thanks, Donkey. Next item up. Oh, I know what this is. This is the glass. Oh, I hope it didn't break. I don't think it broke. Oh, look at that. Ooh. That is a real classy glass. Heavy on the bottom like it should be. It's got channels for airflow. Good idea. I love the design on the glass. UK lock pickers. Beautiful. Thank you, Donkey. I'll set that over there. I'll be drinking out of that. Not alcohol, though. I normally don't drink alcohol, but I'll have a salute to you when I get some. This is heavy. Wow, 3 keys for a dimple. Wow, this is a dimple lock. This thing is heavy. Look at that. Nice. I have not picked any dimple locks yet because I don't have any flags. But that's soon to change. Looking forward to opening that. Wow, someday. Oh, I've been looking forward to this. People, you got to check this out if you haven't seen it yet. Look at this. Isn't that a beauty? Look at that classic square lever lock, I guess. I'm not sure what kind of lock this is. All I know is that it's a beautiful lock. It's got some age on it. Lock maker since 1780. www.squarelocks.company UK. Henry Square and Sons Limited. Yeah, it's a lever lock. I was right. Forged steel shackle, 4 levers. Beautiful. And it's called the 440. You can see that. Focus, damn you. And there's the keys. Very nice. Put that aside. Really cool stuff here. Oh, this looks like a padlock. I love padlocks. Everybody knows Parkinson loves padlocks. But this is a combination padlock. Ooh, another one from Squire. Look at that. Very nice. This will be my first lock of this type. I'm gonna have to watch some videos, get refreshed on how to do it. Oh, I'm gonna have fun picking this one. Another heavy bugger in here. Wow, this little sucker's got some weight to it. Excellent packaging, by the way. Oh boy. Yeah, I haven't picked this style of lock yet. Look at that. Ain't she a beauty? as he promised, this lock with one key. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is heavy. It feels like quality, you know? Incredible. And last but not least, oh, some stickers. Oh, they're going on the board. Yes, stickers are definitely going up on the board. I've been looking forward to this because I don't have one. This will be my first flag pick. I don't have any. Oh, this is nice. Well, here's the handle, which you can attach different bits by unloosening, inserting a bit, and tightening that back up. And here in this bag are all the bits that come with it. And although I have to go through the process of putting them in like I did with my Chinese set, at least I still have some flag picks. I can finally get started on practicing dimple locks. So there we go. Here's another one. I've got quite a few. Most of them in here are flag picks. Oh, that's great. That is great. This looks like I don't know what this is, but it looks like a pizza. It looks like a miniature pizza spatula for a brick oven pizza. Which, by the way, if you've never had brick oven pizza, that's the best. All right, that's all the unpacking for this box. Thanks for watching, and once again I say congratulations to the Log Picking Donkey for 142 subscribers. Congratulations, my friend. Look forward to seeing you in your next video, and thank you. Thanks everyone for watching. Shout out to all my subscribers and PD warriors and lock sporting friends. Catch you on the next video. Bye.